Right, so this is an example in chapter 5 where we want to, we're given this encoding key and we want to encrypt this message. So I look at the first letter A, and if you look at A, you have these values, 1, 30, or 59. Well, I know that I'm not going to use 1, and the reason why is if I multiply 1 times 2 and I subtract 11, I'll get a negative number, and there's not a negative number on here. So let's use 30, which says multiply 30 times 2 and then subtract 11. So you should get 49. So what you do is you find 49 on here, and that tells you that that becomes a T. And you might say, well, but what if I did 59? What if I chose that one? Well, if I multiply it by 2 minus 11, you get 107. And the only problem with that is you don't see a 107 on here. However, if this is at 87, this would be 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see you get back to the same value, which is T. So it doesn't matter which one of these you use, but what I would do is I would use one that's going to show up on the table. So let's just do another one. Let's look at L. So if I pick, I don't think it's going to let me, yeah, it might let me erase some of this stuff. So if I look at L, just trying to clean this up a little bit. Alright, so where is L? L is right here. And so I could take, I don't know, the 12 times 2 minus 11. So 12 times 2 minus 11 gives me 13, which says I'm just right next door. There's 13 at the letter M. And again, you know, if you want to, if you keep saying, well, how do I know which one to pick? Pick the 41, multiply by 2, and subtract 11. 41 times 2 minus 11. And you'll get 71, which notice is still in that same spot. So all you're doing is you're taking the one of the values that they give you, multiplying it by 2, subtracting 11, and seeing where you are on this wheel. Like I mentioned before, the best thing to do is to pick one that the value is going to actually show up on the wheel.